So now you can see as the video shows that I'm now doing the actual experiment of the auxiliary cleaning mechanism in the actual scene. So on this special stage, the whole cleaning mechanism was set on the robot itself. You can see the brushes on the mechanism is rotating in a very fast speed. This special speed was selected because of the data, the format I provided in the paper, I think. And so now the robot will enter the actual scenes of corner. Let's see what will happen. So now the robot is locating itself in the corner formed by the two boxes I put. As you can see, the telescopic mechanism was stretched out and it even reached the bottom edge of the corners, which is exactly what I want.